Hello, this is my model Jada, and we're going to be doing a platinum blonde and using SilkLift Strong in a compact foil technique to create maximum lift. I completed the compact foil all over and then released the foils and used my SilkLift Strong and tapped that in just in that zone. That's applied all over, and now she'll process. So for the finalization on Jada's hair, we're going to be doing a power toning service using the Brightener and Pure Pigments. This will create a different shift in her hair and add the Pure Pigments pink.